when you hire somebody and it's just a contractor, I've never had good experiences. And anytime I needed to get a contractor, I gotta tell you, it was a crime. Hi, my name is Alice. I live in Suffolk County. I had the need to have a roof repair because it was raining in my second floor bathroom. I needed to get someone that I could rely on, which I had no idea, but I knew I could rely on my solar company. They gave me the name of Rapid Restore. My first experience with the company was with Mike Dietrich when he came to the house, and he told me all about Rapid Restore. And we went over what I needed and what I should be doing. And he recommended that he would bring someone in, go up and look at the roof and map out what was needed and, give me an estimate. He was thorough in, explaining it to me. And he even mentioned there would be a senior discount, which I liked. I like the acknowledgement that I am a senior. He was very pleasant, and he was precise. He didn't rush me. He didn't raise his voice to insist. He was not pushy. He did not try to corner me into something. And after going over it, I agreed, and I signed the contract, and they came in, and they did the work for the roof. My biggest concern when looking for a roofing contractor was dependability, reliability, and not a crook. The acceptance to keep their word, what they say they're going to do, and to complete it to my satisfaction, that's unheard of. In the past, I've had bad experiences. That's why I'm very picky. The work was done within half a day. They cleaned the area. There wasn't a trace of what they did. The best thing about it is they took 60 pictures of all the work they did on the roof from the beginning to the end, and they sent them to me before they left that day, and I could see everything they did. They did an excellent job, very clean job. After the job was completed, they kept in contact with me. Michael Dietrich called me, concerned about the roof and how I was happy with the job. Also, Joseph L. Shasley, got a message from him. As to the communications between them and me, you couldn't have had any better than what they did. They acknowledged every time I called, and I've heard from them repeatedly since they've completed the job, asking, what I thought, and I would tell them. Had a wonderful experience with Rapid Restore. The roof was perfect. I had no problems, and it would make me want to use them if I ever needed roof work again. On any house, whether it be this house or if I move. I highly recommend them. If you need repair, they're the best.